How to add post and video in Instagram Note. It's very simple. What you have to do, only have to open your Play Store and you have to make sure your Instagram updated. After that you have to go your Instagram, and after come here Instagram you have to select one post which you want to add in your note. I am simply selecting this video for adding in my note. You can see here, you have to click on this post. You can see here, if you let's text want to add this post, you have to click here plain icon. You can see here, and after that you will can see here add note option. You have to simply click here add note, and you have to write here something for adding this to your note, and then you have to click here. After that this will be added in your note. If someone click in this video, they will see you have added this into your note. You can see here, if you go here in your three line, you can see here three line option. After that you have to go here your account center. You can see, after that you have to scroll down, and then you will can see here option. You can see here option called your activity. You can see here, you have to simply click here activity, and then you will can see here option called note. You have to click here note, and then you will can see here your note have been added. The video have been added to your note. So that's how you can add something in your note. Thank you so much.